So the problem that we're seeing with this report, if I right-click on it, I can see the SQL, and in the SQL, once it's generated, all of the data that's in here is fine, except this where condition. It's converting the date received, if it's null, to an open string, and then it's trying to compare it to a numeric value. Well, that's going to cause an error, especially in SQL Server. So to change this, we're going to go to the dictionary, or if you're under Foxfire 8, you can go to Tools and choose System Administrator, and then the Data Item Group Editor. In this case, I'm going to click on Dictionary. And in the Data Manager, I'm going down to the Specimen table, and here I can see Date Filtered. I'm going to double click on this, and instead where I have these empty quotes, I'm just going to put into them 2010-01. Now I'm using 2010 simply as a placeholder. If you think that's going to be a valid date, you may choose to make it 1900, whatever date range will work for your data. Now, if you hit a button such as Save, or in this case we're switching over to the SQL expressions, you may get this dialog. Just click on Cancel. Foxfire is simply trying to validate that value. I'm just going to click on Yes to accept it, and then click over to SQL expressions. And once again in here, 2010, 01, 01, and also in the sort expression. So what this will do is that next time somebody tries to run a report, if it comes across date received being null, which is the condition that's causing the problem, it will now put in this date value, which will process properly in the SQL Server. Once I've made that change, I'm back in the Request Manager. I can verify this is going to work either by running the report, or in this case I'm just going to go down, choose Show SQL, and I can see right now my condition, my filter condition is now using that IsNull with a date field, and that will resolve the problem.